Hello guys, I'm Design Hub. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this flyer, this social media post. Please, if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and also like this video so that many people can get access to it. I know you wouldn't want to go without clicking the notification bell. Click the notification bell so that you will be informed each time I create a new video. So in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to do photo editing and also text effect. Those are the two major things you are going to learn from this tutorial. So now let's head on to our PixelLab working space. Okay, so this is our PixelLab working space. The first thing I will do here is to choose the size of our design, the image size. So for a social media design, it has, the standard size is a square, 1280 by 1280. You take this one. So the first thing I will do now is to bring on the image. No, let me choose my background first. Take a plain black background. I'll take this one. Then let me bring in my image. Okay, so this is the image. Yeah, the image itself is black. So what I will do is I will enlarge the image to cover the whole of the screen. Then I will send it left so that only half of it will be able to, so that only half of it will be visible. Okay, I'll leave it here. So the next thing I have to do now is to create the text effect. The text effect is the most difficult thing here. Thing is dark. Yeah, dark. The font I use here is this one. This is the font I use. Okay, you can just go on Google and download and install your Pixel app. This font, Adobe, just copy the name so that you go and download on Google and install your Pixel app. Okay, now from here now, it will be needless for me to put a shadow because most shadow don't reflect well on a black background. So I will not put any shadow. What I will do here now is I will go, first of all, I'll go to 3D rotate and increase the x-axis to 10. After that, I will go to curve, put it at 10%. Okay, and then I will go to 3D text, click on oblique, I reduce it to 3, the depth to 3, come to enable, I click on this enable, and I rotate this one to 260. 260. Okay, so I'll do a copy of this. Yeah, keep this one aside first. Then for this now, I increase the stroke. Increase the stroke to something 40. Yeah, so I'll change the stroke color to white. Okay, okay, great, good work. So now I'll place this one now on it, then I put a shadow. The shadow will take the color of, the makeup of this lady, so I will click on this plus sign. Let me go first to where shadow. Okay, yeah, I already have the color here, so I'll take this color, this one. Okay, I'll change the color of the text. To same this one. Let me take this one. Okay, now for that shadow, let me do some editing on that shadow. The blur radius, let me put the opacity at 85. 85. Offset X, let me put it at -4. Put this one at +4. Okay. What is left again? The blur radius, I think it's okay. Yeah, 10 is okay. Yeah. So now we go ahead to increase the stroke of this one. Add stroke to this one too. Let me increase the stroke to 15. Okay. We change the stroke color to this. Then now for the text color, now let me change the text color to, this. Yeah. Okay. Then bit by bit we are going. So what's left now? So what I will do now is I'll copy the one up. Yeah, I want it to look more real. So I'll copy this one up. So I'll remove everything now. First of all, I will remove the stroke. Let me pull the stroke back. What will I remove here? The shadow. Let me remove the shadow. Again, yeah, let me remove the 3D. And let me remove the color. So just slide down. Then click again. Okay, I've removed the color. Then what's left? The stroke. Let me reduce that stroke. I think 5 is okay. Yeah, so I'll place it here. I'll change the color. It has to align the ones under. Let me change the color first before I do the alignment. Take this color. Oops. Let me see. Let me change the color of the stroke inside. Yeah, the color of the stroke. Okay. Take this. Then now let me go to shadow. Okay. The blur radius. Let me leave it at 10. Oops. Let me leave it at 10. Then the opacity. Let me leave it at 85. Blur radius. Let me see. Let me put it at 5. At 5. Okay. That I think this one. So I'll leave them this way. It's okay. Yeah. So we have formed the text. Yeah. This is the text I used. So now what I will do now is to lock them. No, fuse them together. Then I rotate. They are putting the other text now. So I'll take everyone. I'll start with everyone. Just permit me to put the text backstage in order to save time. Okay, so I've placed the text. Now let me just do some editing. I have to align them. I have to make sure all of them are in a straight line. You have to align them. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so what's next? Let me edit this one. So I'll go to bold. Yeah, I have to bold some words here. None is perfect. Let me bold perfect. So come here, press bold. Perfect is being bold. So I will shift the copy tool to number 1 project. This copy tool, I'll shift it to number 1 project and click on bold. I'll come down now to what again? I'll go to work on those dark areas. Work on those dark areas. Click on bold. Get rid of them. Rid of them. Click on bold. Perfect human. Click on bold. Yeah, so I've bold the most important words there. Yeah, so now I need to create that shape where my name and my number was placed on. So I'll come to shapes. Yeah, reduce it a bit. And do a copy of it. Now edit it. That change the color to this, any color. Then now I increase the radius. Take 45. Okay. Must make sure the one up is well positioned on the white shape. Okay. So now you click on the one under the white shape under, you go to erase. Yeah, erase to increase this one. You erase this top right hand corner and you erase the bottom left hand corner. Click OK. Now you combine the both. Change the color. Okay, change the color to this. So you reduce, position it well this way. Okay. Let me rotate. Let me just put a perfect position there. Yeah, it's okay this way. Let me bring it down a bit. Okay. Yeah. So I need to place my details now. Let me place my details. Okay. Now let me edit this image here. Let me edit it. Let me put those cracks. So let me import the crack. So this is a crack. Every bit of resource used here will be sent to you. I'll do a copy of it. Place this one up. Do another copy and place down. Yeah, and then unlock them. Okay. So what's left? I have to put another effect on that on this dark. I have to put another effect. Let me import the effects. Okay, so this is the effects. So I will reduce the opacity and take 60. Okay, what's left? Let me bring in those leaves, those blur leaves. Yeah, this one. Okay, rotate and place here. Then I close. There was also a love icon. Let me bring it. Yes, our love icon. Click on it and minimize. Rotate now and place here. Yeah. Let me place well. Okay, yeah, I think we are done. Now we need to do something to this design. We need to step up the quality. So I will take this design now to Photoshop and give it a better quality. This is what many designers don't know. Yeah, many designers don't know this. That when you do a design with PixelLab, it doesn't have enough quality. So for you to really step up the quality of your design, you have to import it to Photoshop. You might be saying that you don't have a PC to use Photoshop and so on. No, you can download Photoshop with your phone. I will put the link at the description of this video. Check the link at the description of this video. You see Photoshop. I know you have been added some value today, and I have given out this value for free. This is what I tax people. I have a course on this and I'm selling it out, but yet I'm giving you for free. So the only thing I want you to do for me now is to hit on that subscribe button. Please, if you have not subscribed, hit on that subscribe button so that we're getting interesting content of this sort. Yeah, if you don't subscribe, it means that you want to gain what I've given you for free and you don't want to do me this favor, and that is bad. Yeah, I think I'm sure that you have, at least you have gained something. So please just click on the subscribe button, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting interesting content. Yeah, so now we'll head on to Photoshop. Let me first save this design first. Okay, our design is saved, so I'll move on to Photoshop now. This is Photoshop here. No, click on this. Yeah, so these are the various quality. You can decide to take this one, take this one, take this one, but let me take this one because that's what we took first. Summer, let me take this one. So let me increase the quality and see. Let me reduce a bit. So I'll come here, increase the clarity. Yeah, and then I'll go to sharpen, increase the sharpen to 100%. So here's our design. So now I click this save to gallery. This is what we design using PixelLab, and this is what we finally did with Photoshop. So compare the two of them. Which one is of a higher quality? Yeah, so we have come to the end of this video. So I would like you to subscribe, please. If you have not said subscribe, if your unsubscribe button is still red, please turn it to black. Click on that subscribe button. Also click on the like button and click on the notification bell so that I'll be uploading interesting content of this sort. And also, if you wishes to be a professional graphic designer, at the description of my video is a course that is nearly free. You have to remember that value is not free. So if you want to gain more value in something, yeah, you actually have to pay. I spent a lot to reach the place where I am in now in graphic designing. So I have a course at my description. If you wishes to take the course to step up your design level, there it is for you. Thank you. See you in the next video.